Okay students, I have written what are the same questions. B and C are same, E, F, G and I are same, E and J are same. Now I will do the H part. H part says two sides and three angles are given. Now two sides are AB is 5.5, AD is 6.5, 3 centimeter, sorry. AB 5.5, AD 3 centimeter, angle A 70, angle B 95, angle C 85. So when A and B are given, now angle D is not given. So we can't draw AD as 3 centimeter. We will draw AB because these two angles are given. Because all these three angles are not divisible by 15 table, so we use protractor to draw it. First I will draw AB as 5.5 centimeter, make 70 degree, 95 degree. Now 3 centimeter arc, D point is written. Now we can't draw angle C. We have drawn this and this, but we can't draw angle C because we don't know the point. So what we do, we have three angles and you know the sum of all four will be, just hold on. So you will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. So you have three angles, angle 70, 95 and 85 plus angle D equal to 360. Now when we add up these two, it will be 180, 250. So angle D equal to 360 minus 250, that is angle D 110. So from this angle we will make 110. So C point will be determined automatically. So when you have three angles and it is not drawn, so you find out the fourth angle and then draw it. So let's do this question. First I will draw AB as 5.5 centimeter. Yes, so A, B 5.5. Now we will make 90 and 95 and 70 degree. So from A vertex, $70, and from B vertex 95 degree. Yes, now I will join these. Let's give the name as X, this 95, this is Y. Now this is 70 degree and this is 95 degree. Now draw an arc of 3 centimeters. So take a ruler, stretch it till, take a compass, stretch it till 3 centimeter with the help of ruler and then draw an arc. So this is 3. D point is determined now. So we write it here 3 centimeter. Now from this, now we have to make angle D as, now this point is angle D. Sorry, this point is D vertex, and from this we have to make an angle of 110. Now first I will match with the baseline. Now 110, this is 100 and this is 110. Yes, obtuse angle. Now join this line with this 110. So C point will be determined in this. Yes, like this. Clear? Now let's do question number 2. Now question number 2 says, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 7, BC 5, CD 8 and AD this. So first I will draw AB as 7 centimeter, BC is 5, so 5 centimeter arc, CD is, now CD we can't do it, AD 7 centimeter and 80 degree. So first we draw 80 degree and then draw an arc of 7 centimeter, D point will be determined. Now यहाँ से we draw an arc of 8 centimeter, C point will be determined, and BC we have already drawn as this, like this. And then you have to measure the angle C. So let's do it quickly. Then I will write the steps and I will give you the screenshot of these steps. First I will draw AB as 7. So I will give the name as AB 7 centimeter. Now we will make 80 degree. So for 80 we use protractor. This is 80 degree. Now join with this with the help of a ruler. Yes, give the name as X. Now AD is 7 centimeter. Take a rule compass, stretch it till 7, draw an arc 7 centimeter. Yes, so we will write here 7. This is X point and this will be intersection point will be D. Yes, now BC is 5, so take a compass, stretch it till 5, draw an arc of 5 from B vertex. Now CD is 8 centimeters, so stretch it, take a compass again, stretch it till 8, put the needle at D, join it, C point will be determined, join BC and CD. Yes, now we forgot to mention 80 degree also. Now question says measure angle C also. Now put a needle center point of this protractor at C vertex, match with this BC line, and you can see it is exact 85 degree. Yes, so angle C is, I will write it here only, that it is 85 degree. Yes, so that we will write it in steps. I will write it and then I will give you the screenshot of it. Thank you.